again everyone, JaLingo's word of the week is Uzimi. This is broken down as do you see me? Other meanings, do you understand what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? Or this expression is used when asking someone if they can physically see them. So Uzimi may be used in a situation such as this. You're the boy bad drive me now, but you never want to create a scene, you just know him, you see me? This actually means the guy driving almost caused an accident, but because I did not want to create a scene, I just left him alone. Do you get me? Another example is, me not drink no water today, make my belly feel funny, you see me? And that means I'm not drinking that water because it makes my tummy feel funny. Do you understand? And a third example, every time I see that girl, she live with a different man. I want to know if we can try her for you, see me? That means every time I see that girl, I see her with a different guy. I'd like to know if I can try my luck. You get me? Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.